which topic today we have covered. So everything going. So let's start describing. So today I have covered a webpack. So first of all, we should know what is webpack. Webpack is a static bundler, module bundler, which bundles internally process our applications and make a dependency graph internally, and it bundles in a single place. It can be it can have a single entry point as well as multiple entry points in our application. So it makes definitely in a bundle form. That's why we can, after bundling, we can deploy our project on the server. So this is the webpack, the main concept of the webpack. So what are the keys, what are the properties of the bundler, how it works? There are some properties, we can say some working areas, means some steps webpack follows. Like webpack has starting, means entry point. Webpack has output, means in the entry, what means where it going to take the entry points for making a bundle, where to start it, and output, where it put the all bundle file, and that bundle file which we instruct, means it should be bundled. So that file where it goes to place, where it put in the directory, either it is in directory or in the folder or anywhere. That is the output keys. And in basically, we are going to explain this webpack is also type of plugins. So it requires webpack, and we just config the webpack. And webpack is just like a JS module, and in the JS module we export some object, a single object which has different property, like starting means entry point, entry, output, and module dot rules, mode, and also environment. These are the keys which has, means these are the keys related to the webpack. So in the entry point, we can put single entry point as a string. We can put multiple entry points, and in the output, it put the all the bundled file at that place, at that path. So here we already decided the path, that bundle put there. So this is the output. And third part is a loaders, means our just webpack understand, means our browser understand HTML, CSS, JS, and webpack understand, like uh, compilers understand JS part, and how it understand CSS, and how it will understand other part like JSX and other things. So we should need to transform the source code into another part where our browser can understand, our compiler can understand, and run on the browser, run on the in front of us. So there are different loaders, and it can put in the module dot rules, and we can have like CSS loader, we can have a style loader, we can have TS loader, when there are different loader we can have. So we will use in the loader part. We also have a mode, like either it is production mode or it is the development mode. So by the setting, if mode put a mode in the production, then it will react as a production mode and it work like a production. And if we put in the development mode, then it will put, means it behaves like it is in development mode. And we can also put the, we can put like a development environment dev server in this particular object. So these are the essential things. Beside this, there are most important, we can say it is the backbone of the webpack, that is the plugins, where the work efficiency or work loaders can work uh, many things in the application, but except that things, it also additionally work other things. It can enhance the things, like it can magnify the css, it can uh, just minify the css, and it also can generate a html page in the REST file. So there are many work in which plugins can do. So, and that is the webpack is also run on the plugins, means like a plugins. So yes, plugins are very important in the webpack, all the things important. And but we can say the plugins are the backbone of the webpack. So all of that, all this is the all the information of the webpack thoroughly. And we can move with the practical, means we can create the a simple project like on the based on webpack. So yeah, we can use. And nowadays there are many other bundler like webpack, that is, we can say white, means wheat, roll up, and parser. These are the bundler which is faster, like white is a very fast in compared to the webpack. But the thing is, where we need more control over the configuration, we should use webpack. And it has to give the chance to control the most of the configuration to your hand. And if you have a big project, they they need to optimize some part, and they need to manually, they need to just put the things according to you. So there we will definitely use, we are going to use webpack. But in the small to medium project, there are no need to worry about the bundling or just generating the things, like that is the based on esm. So these things handled by modern bundler like white or wheat, and roll up parcel, etc. So we can use these, like for the using, for just bundling the making the apps, React app. Okay, so overall this is the overview and introduction of the webpack, and we will now take a next session, introduction session on next topic. Okay, bye, thank you.